What up, guys? Alright, so today, me and Mark, we got like laced with laxatives. We're both gonna have that time. But what Mark doesn't know, we have like pretty much like $80 to $100.
We did something.
It's not a good thing.
Lunchtime, and we got hungry, and so we decided to cater with Panera, and came with so much bread.
I love Panera, but
The coupon didn't work, so we bailed. Maybe we'll try it again later. It's time for lunch. We just bought mac and cheese. That's all.
just mac and cheese.
Nothing
it came
else.
With bread though.
It came more money. On that,
We had to.
We'll
Panera chingaderos over here, and I'm thinking about throwing like chingaderos over here.
There's like 12
Chingaderos over here. Take a bite, audience. Take a bite. Take
bread.
Just
bread. Butter.
mac and cheeses.
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
It's chewy. Somewhere out there, Michelle Obama's
Pussy sounds like.